All right, welcome back to the weather. We've got more fun stuff happening tonight. We got two fun watches going on right now. First is a severe thunderstorm watch stretching from west of the metro all the way over to the eastern area of the state. And the second one is this flood watch that's in place for most of South Oklahoma, stretching up from Texas down here up to OKC and then all the way east out to Arkansas. But I don't have a graphic for that because I'm making this in my bedroom. These storms moving through overnight are going to bring some good rain to the area, and if they haven't dried out from this afternoon's storms, like the dirt road outside my house, they're going to be doubly wet tomorrow morning. And as you've seen in these graphics from the National Weather Service in Norman, the Storm Prediction Center has upgraded us to a slight risk here in Oklahoma City and Norman, and that's stretching all the way down there to Ardmore and kind of to southeast Oklahoma, with a marginal risk kind of surrounding it up by Stillwater and down to Wichita Falls down there. Like this says, tornado risk is very low, and it's honestly maybe highest in the marginal area. It kind of wraps around here, and then the tornado risk in the Oklahoma City area is pretty negligible. But that does not mean we're out of the woods. You got a chance for some strong wind overnight here, stretching from central Oklahoma downwards into Texas, kind of all the way over into that Arkansas and Mississippi border area. But the biggest chance we're seeing in central Oklahoma tonight is going to be the risk for hail. That hatched area on the Storm Prediction Center outlook signifying a chance for some bigger hail compared to this area down here that stretches down to Dallas. Though that chance of hail is still significant enough in this entire area to end up giving us a slight risk for the overnight hours. And you can see it on this radar screenshot from about 10:30 p.m. A storm already firing over here in the Elk City area. That's going to move east and head towards the Oklahoma City metro. This has a special weather statement out on it. It was warned for 40-mile-an-hour winds, and that's since been dropped to 30 as the storm's weakened a little. But more storms like this could form over here west of the Norman area and then move in as you head to the overnight. Now, these storms are projected to be fairly isolated. If they do happen, they're not going to form this big line like we saw earlier this afternoon, but there's still something to watch out for, especially since they're most likely to move through as you're sleeping. This has been my very cool weather report. Follow me on Twitter, I guess.